Yo, what's up guys? Andy here. Today we're on Strike app and I'm showing a brand new reoccurring Bitcoin purchases feature. So previously you could only purchase Bitcoin with your cash balance that's shown here in the app. Then you kind of have to scroll down and deposit money if your balance runs low. But they just introduced something new. We can see this little pop-up notification here, set it and forget it. Recurring Bitcoin purchases can now be pulled directly from your bank account. So we can close that notification out, go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin current price about $29,000, down a little bit today. But what we could do is tap the settings in the top right, and then you can set this to purchase however often you want. Hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. So I could set this to daily and do $1 per day. Tap next. And then you see this pulling from my cash balance. I can tap on that and switch this to my bank account. So then this would just move $1 over from my bank account and purchase Bitcoin every day. I don't ever have to worry about it. It says this $1 purchase will repeat daily starting at the approximate time from your selected payment method. So right now it's about 1:20 p.m. If I were to confirm this, it would buy at 1:20 p.m. every day. So that's how this new recurring purchases option from your bank account works. You can also just come in here manually, tap the $1, tap next, and do one-off purchases for however much money you want. So just like that, I've purchased $1 of Bitcoin today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.